Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is 106th day of recording myself, and another thing is that this is the part 2 of the video. Today's I'm going to upload, I think, 2 or 3 videos. So this is the second video which I'm recording. So let's get started with the question. So let's get started. So yesterday I have completed 160 question. 160 question. Now I need to complete question from question number 161 to 320. So today I'm also going to attempt 160 question today, and 160 question I have completed in yesterday's video. So let's get started with the first question, which is question number 161. Did your brother ever fight with you ever? Yes, my brother fought with me, like many times we fought with each other. Yes, he did. What did you do this? What did you do that time? I just given him so much slaps because he is younger to me and I can slap him. So I beated him so hard. So yes, I did that. I slapped him so much. I didn't slap him. I just beat him so hard. Like I beat him. I can't tell you. I beat him so much. So, does your brother do job anywhere? No, he's a student. Where does he job? He doesn't job. He's a student. Or like in, but I can answer anything. It is not important that I will only speak the truth. I can answer anything. So where does he job? He work at station. How much money does he earn? He earned 10,000 rupees. Is it satisfied from his job? Yes, he is satisfied from his job. What do you think about your brother? I feel proud of my brother. Is your brother angry or amicable? I don't know the meaning of amicable, but he is stubborn. He is not angry. Yes, he is angry. Why I'm just trying to be honest? I don't know. I don't need to be honest here because it is just a question answer. I'm just answering, and it is not important that he is asking about my brother. My brother. Let it be. I can answer. I will answer. Yes, he is angry. Is your brother angry or amicable? He is angry. Did he ever hurt you ever? No, he didn't. He didn't hurt me ever. Did your brother do anything special for you? Yes, he does something special for you. He did. Yes, he did something special for me. Does your brother live with you? Yes, he lives with me. He lives with me. What are his wishes for you? He has best wishes for me. He wishes me luck. Has he completed his whole education? No, he is still studying. What do you expect from your brother? I expect from my brother. What did I expect from my brother? I just expect from him respect, and he does respect us, like all of us. He respects all his sisters. I am 4 sisters. As for your kind information, I'm including me. I'm 4 sisters, and he respect each of us. So, will your brother fulfill your desire? What are my desires? If he can, he will. If he is able to fulfill our desire, he can. He will. And if not, then let it be. How he is going to know about my desire? What desire I have? is desire related to him or anybody else? So if I have desire related to him, he will surely. So is your brother idle? Is your brother idle? Yes, he is. What are the qualities in your sister? What are the qualities in your sister? What are the qualities in your sister? She fought with me. This is not her quality, but we fought a lot. What are the qualities in your sister? In my sister, there is so many qualities. They all are honest. Is your family okay? Yes, my family is all right. Do you have trust in them? Yes, I do have trust in them. Do you know anything about your family? Yes, I know everything about my family. Who is more earning in your family? My father is more earning in my family. Are you naughty or mischievous? Mischievous, I don't know the meaning of mischievous, but I'm little naughty. What is your future plan? I don't want to reveal that. Would you like to do anything special for your family? First of all, what is your future plans? My future plan is to get settled and well settled. Would you like to do anything special for your family? Yes, I love to do anything special for my family. Have you planned for that? Recently I don't have any plan. I don't have any plan right now. Are you doing something for that? Yes, I'm doing something for that. Although I don't have plan, but I am just thinking about another question. Do you have any plan for that? Yes, I do have plan for that. So where is the have you planned for that? Yes, I have planned for that. Are you doing something for I'm just repeating the question. How will he be living there? He is living there very nicely, very happily. Where did you find out your glasses? I found out my glasses in the cupboard. Where did he commit suicide? He committed suicide in hospital. Whose books are you using? I am using my brother's book. How will he have done this? He have done this very nicely. How he have done this? He have done this very nicely. Where will you go now? I will go to my grandmother's house. Now, which subject does he teach? He teach English. Whose advice have you taken? I have taken my mother's advice. How did the scratches appears on this mirror? How did the scratches appear on the mirror? My younger sister did the scratches on the mirror. I'm not talking how she has done it. The scratches is due to something, I don't know. some are the questions which I'm unable to answer. It doesn't mean that I'm not able to understand. I can understand that but I don't have words. It is asking how does it go? How can I say? How does it? I don't know. Where are you coming from? I am coming from Bihar. How many questions did you write? How many questions did you write? I had written 10 questions. Are you good at communication skills? Yes, I am good at communication skills. Who told you to join PI, means Persona Institute? I watched my brother told me to join Persona Institute, although he doesn't, because I told him to join Persona Institute. I was the one who found the channel. Will she rejoin Persona Institute? Yes, she will. Yes, she will rejoin Persona Institute. The 120 question is over. Let me move on to the next one. There is 40 questions. It means that there is 40 question is completed. And now moving on to the 201 question number. Is Nidhi better speaker than yes? Is Nidhi better speaker than you? Yes, Nidhi is better speaker than me. Or I can say no, Nidhi is not better speaker than me. Am I your teacher? No, you are not my teacher. What do I teach you? You teach me English. What do I teach you? You teach me English. Who is Manish? Who is Mansi? Mansi is my friend. Is Mansi good girl? Yes, she is a good girl. Yes, she is good. She is a good girl. Do you meet her in leisure time? Yes, I do meet her in leisure time. How did you define friendship? I define friendship with honesty. I define friendship with honesty. Honesty is very important in friendship. If you are not honest, if you are not true to your friend, that is not called friendship. How do you feel when you are with her? I feel good when I feel happy around her, or I can say I feel happy with her. What purpose do you? What purpose? For what purpose do you come here? I come here to meet you. What do you take? What do you take in negative way? What do you take in negative way? I take his advice in negative way. Why are you doing this? I am doing this because I like to do this. Is it possible to become a good speaker? Yes, it is possible. It is 100% possible to become a good speaker. Which is the most important for success, beauty or talent? Which is the most important? Success, beauty or talent? I think for me, talent is very important. And success is very important. Everything is important, but literally, according to me, talent is very important. Why Khandwa is famous? Khandwa is famous for its food, or Khandwa is famous for Ajay sir. So I don't know the Khandwa. I only know that Persona Institute is in Khandwa. So let's move on to the next question. Can you sing a song here? Yes, I can sing a song here, but I don't want to right now. I don't want to. Yes, I can sing a song here. In which field do you work? I work in a company. Are you famous dancer? Are you a famous dancer? No, I'm not a famous dancer. Which type of dance do you perform? I have already told you I like to just dance, Bharati dance, and I just enjoy it. What type of dance do you perform? If I would like to perform, I would like to perform Kathak. I love it. I just love this. When I just admire Kathak very much. I just love it. I don't know how to do it, but I just love it. The another question is, can they speak English? Yes, they can speak English. Is he your close friend? Yes, he is my close friend. Which is your subject? Which is your subject? My subject is English. Why didn't you go to college? I didn't go to college because I was ill. I was sick. Which lecture do you attend? I attend botany lecture. Why are you interested in English language? I am interested in English language because it is worldwide spoken language and I admire it. Will you come here daily? Yes, I will come here daily. No, I won't come here daily. We can answer this question in two ways. If yes or no. Like if you want to answer, yes, I will come here daily, or you can say, no, I won't come here daily. And move on to the next question. What is the meaning of PI? The meaning of PI is Persona Institute. Why PI is so famous? PI is famous for teaching English. How many branches of PI are there in Khandwa? I don't know, but there are 10 branches of PI in Khandwa. I can answer anything. I don't have any idea about that. Which is the best branch? The best branch is... Which is the best branch? The Khandwa's branch is the best branch. Why don't girls take admission in MBA? Why don't girls don't take admission in MBA? Because they don't feel like completing that. They don't feel like completing that MBA course, so that is why they don't want to Why don't girls take admission in MBA? Girls don't take admission in MBA because they don't want to. What's your next plan? My next plan is to live happily. Which coaching would you like to go? I would like to go Persona Institute coaching. I would like to go Persona Institute. Which is the famous coaching class? Success coaching class is the famous coaching class. Are you interested in government job? Yes, I am interested in government job. Didn't you teach in Dadaji college? No, I didn't teach in Dadaji's college. What is the elder sister doing? What is your elder sister doing? My elder sister is managing home. What is her qualifications? Her qualifications is postgraduate. Why did I scold her? I scold her because she was doing wrong. Had you gone there? Yes, I had gone there. Can I walk for a while? Yes, you can walk for a while. So 80 question is completed. Now moving on to the another one, which is the last section. 80 questions I have completed so far. I have answered 80 questions. Now moving on to the 241st question, which is what he has decided. He has decided to stay with me. What do you think about him? I think that he is honest. He is honest. Whom did you see yesterday? I see my friend yesterday. Who cleans your house? I clean my house. How many boys did ran in the race? There are 20 boys ran in the race. How did he work? He worked brilliantly. Which is your notebook? This is my notebook. Which is your notebook? That one is my notebook. When did you return from Bombay? I will return next month from Bombay. When will you be able to repay the loan? I will be able to repay the loan next month. When are you going to start learning English? I am going to start learning English from tomorrow. Where did she spend her summer? She spent her summer in grandmother's house. Why do people read newspaper? People read newspaper to gather information. What is her dog's name? Her dog's name is Cherry. What do they want now? They want happiness now. They want food now. For whom do you earn so much money? I earn money for myself. For whom do you earn so much money? I earn money for myself. Yes, I do. How can a person make many friends? A person can make many friends by talking, by communicating with them. What is your suit made for? What is your suit made for? My suit is made of rayon. My suit is made from silk. When do you plan to visit your aunt? I plan to visit my aunt after 5 days. When will you be able to see me? I will be able to see you tomorrow. Where did you sleep last night? I slept in my room last night. Why must you work hard? 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 I must work hard to fulfill my dreams. Why did you lend him your cycle? I lent him my cycle because he want to ride it. Why did you vote for Dr. Misra? I voted for Dr. Misra because he is a good candidate. Does Rama know how to prepare tea? Yes, he does know how to prepare tea. What will we date tomorrow? It will be 9th. Sorry. It will be 8th of November tomorrow. Where is the question? Is there any letter for you? Yes. Yes, I do have a letter for you. Is there any letter for you? Yes, there is letter for you. Have they been searching a job for 2 months? Yes, they have been searching a job for 2 months. Has she been wearing operation for 2 months? Yes, she has been bearing oppression for 2 years. Have you been working in this field since 2006? Yes, I have been working in this field since 2006. Has he been glancing at the moon since last night? Yes, he has been glancing at the moon since last night. Have I been seeking my watch for an hour? Yes, I have been seeking my watch for an hour. Has Nilesh been depriving for food since childhood? Yes, Nilesh has been depriving for food since his childhood. Had you been conflicting for 4 months? Yes, I had been conflicting for 4 months. Did you get up early yesterday? Yes, I did get up early yesterday. Did you have bread and butter? Yes, I do have bread and butter. When did Rajni come to you at noon? Rajni come to me at noon at 1 o'clock. Did you write this essay at night? Yes, I did write this essay at night. Did you make your bed before coming at school? Yes, I do make my bed coming at my school. Before coming at my school. When did you learn this lesson from? When did you learn this lesson from? Lesson yesterday. When did you learn this lesson study? I did learn this lessons yesterday in the morning. Did you got out shopping yesterday? Yes, I do got out for shopping yesterday. So the next 40 question is also over. Moving on to the next 40 question, which is the last one. With whom are you reading a book while walking? With whom were you reading a book while walking? I was reading a book while walking with my friends. Was your aunt singing at your house? Yes, she was. Yes, my aunt was singing at my house. Had you not gone at the cinema? Yes, I hadn't. No, I hadn't gone to watch cinema. Gone at the cinema. Had he closed the shop? Yes, he had closed the shop. When had he met you? Till yesterday. When had he met you? Yes, till yesterday. He had met me day before yesterday. Day before yesterday. Had you met Rohit anywhere before? Yes, I do met him. Yes, I met him. Yes, I had met him anywhere before. Why had the train left before you reached the station? Why had the train left before you reach at the station? The train left the station before I reached because I was late. Had your mother gone to the market before you reach? Yes, my mother went to the market before I reach. Had you been studying since last 2 hours? Yes, I had been studying last 2 hours. Since last 2 hours. Had you read a book? Yes, I had read a book. Where were you reading a book? I was reading a book in my room. Will you play? Yes, I will play. Will you come tomorrow? Yes, I will come tomorrow. Will you stay here tonight? No, I won't stay here tonight. Will you see Raja tonight? Yes, I will see Raja tonight. Will you be in the train at this time tomorrow? Yes, I will be in the train. Yes, I will be in the train at this time tomorrow. Will be playing a match at this time? Yes, I will be playing match this time. Yes, we will be playing match this time. Will we be coming to Simla again and again? Yes, we will be coming Simla again and again. Will she have gone by next week? Yes, she will have gone by next week. Will you have come back from Kolkata next month? Yes, no, I won't have come back from Kolkata next month. Will you have taken your test by this time? No, I won't have taken your test by this time. Will your brother have returned from Canada? No, my brother won't have returned from Canada. Will you have been sleeping at this time tomorrow? Yes, I will have been sleeping at this time tomorrow. What will your brother Rajiv has been doing? My brother Rajiv has been studying since morning. Can he play sitar? No, he can't. No, he can't play sitar. Can she return my book? No, she can't return your book. Can Ram read Sanskrit? Yes, Ram can read Sanskrit. May I attend Bal Subhas? Bal Subha? May I return Bal Subha? Yes, I may attend. Yes, I may attend Bal Subha. May I accompany Suresh? Yes, you may. Yes, I may accompany Suresh. Could you do this work alone? Yes, I could do this work alone. Could she help you in on this time? Yes, she could help me in this time. On this time. Could you bring me a glass of water? Yes, I could bring you a glass of water. Might Sohan have helped me? Yes. Yes, might Sohan have helped you. Might you have come here? Might you have come here? Might you have, what can I answer in this? Might I? Yes, I might come. Yes, he might come here. He might have come here. Must I attend his marriage? Yes, you must attend his marriage. Must I reach my home by 10 o'clock? Yes, I must reach home by 10 o'clock. Out we to love your younger brother. Yes, you out to be to love my younger brother. Should you attend the class more regularly? Yes, you should attend the class more regularly. Can you do this job? Yes, I can do this job. Can you sing a song? Yes, I can sing a song. No, I cannot sing a song. So there was my 160 question of today's is over here. And today I think I have answer the question in seconds. This is very nice thing. 100 answering WH question and 160 questions in 32 minutes is incredible. I like it. I'm happy that I was able to attend almost all questions. Almost I did all questions. There is one or two questions which I was not getting, but I tried to answer. And my practice of today is over. So till then, bye guys. Tomorrow I am thinking of telling you something more informed video. Now I will go and do another 160 question because every question I am not able to record. If I am able to record, if I am going to record that much of question, it will take me a lot of time. So after just completing this, I'm not going anywhere from this room. I'm just sitting here right here. I'm going to answer all other 160 questions so that I am just relaxed. I feel relaxed after that. So till then, bye bye.